Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So this presentation is about the AWS Well-Architectured Framework. Five pillar, it's five key pillars that help us design secure, efficient and reliable system on AWS. So the goal of this presentation is to make this concept very simple to understand, and even if you are new to cloud computing, uh, this work is prepared by me, Akash Patel, student at Concordia University Chicago, under the guidance of Dr. Govindaswamy. So let's explore how this framework helps us build strong, safe, and cost-effective cloud solutions. So let's start. So the AWS Well Architectured Framework is like a guidebook that helps us build good cloud systems. So it is a best practice for making our system secure, reliable, and efficient. Instead of guessing how to design something, AWS gives us clear principle to follow. So this framework helps us understand well in what work well in the cloud and how to avoid mistakes that cloud cause problem later. So it's built around five main pillars. Each pillar focus on a different part of cloud architecture. Once we understand this pillar, we can design AWS systems that perform better, cost less, and stay safe even as they grow. So let's move to the next one. Uh, Many times beginners just start building things on the cloud without planning, but without proper design, system can easily become slow, unsafe, and expensive. The well-architected framework helps us plan and think before we build. So it gives a balanced approach, focus focusing on performance, security, cost, and reliability together. This structure help identify weak areas early so we can fix them before they become big issue. In short, the framework helps us make better decisions and manage cloud resources in a smarter way. Let's see the five pillars overview. The framework is built around five main pillars that work together to make a strong cloud system. The five pillars are: first one, operational excellence, running and improving system efficiently. Second one, security, protecting systems and data from threats. Reliability, ensuring systems recover from failure and stay available. Fourth one is performance efficiency, using resources effectively for speed and scalability. Fifth one is cost optimization, avoiding waste and using money wisely. Each of these pillars adds strength to your design. If even one is weak, the whole system can become unstable. So let's see pillar one, operational excellence. So operational excellence means running and improving systems smoothly over time. This pillar focus on automating process, monitoring system performance, and continuously learning from mistakes. It about being proactive, not waiting for problems, but preparing for them. AWS tools like Cloud Formation, CloudWatch, and AWS Config help automate and monitor operations. For example, CloudWatch tracks systems health and can send alerts when something goes wrong. Operational excellence ensure that your AWS setup keeps improving every day, just like a well-maintained machine. Let's see the second pillar, security. The security pillar focus on protecting your system's data and applications from any kind of threats. It includes practice like setting up access control with IAM, enabling encryptions for sensitive data, and turning on logging to track activity. Security also means being prepared for potential accidents with backup plans and response strategies. AWS service such as IAM, KMS, Key Management Service, and CloudTrails are used to manage permissions, encrypt data, and record actions in your account. When security is strong, customers and users can trust your system with their data. Let's see the third pillar, reliability. The reliability pillar ensure that your System keeps running even if something goes wrong. In cloud computing, things can fail, servers might crash, or networks might go down. Reliability means being ready for those moments. You can improve reliability by using multiple availability zone, having backups and testing your recovery plans. AWS offers tools like CloudWatch, Elastic load balancing, and Root S3 to help with there. Reliable system recover quickly, avoiding long downtime, and give users a smooth experience even during technical issues. So let's see the fourth pillar, performance efficiency. The performance efficiency pillar is about using computing resources in the best possible way. It's not always about being the fastest. It's about finding the right balance between speed and cost. For example, you can use auto scaling to adjust resources automatically when traffic increased or decreased. AWS also provide many type of instance and storage options, so you can choose what fit your workload based. Monitoring performance regularly helps you make small changes that leads to big improvement over time. Let's see the fifth pillar, cost optimization. So cost optimization is about spending money wisely and avoiding unnecessary cost. It's easy to leave unused resources running and waste money in the cloud. This pillar teaches you how to find and stop that. AWS tools like Cost Explorer and Budgets help track spending and identify where savings are possible. You can also choose the right pricing model, for example, on-demand, reserved, and spot instance, depending on your uses. The goal is to get the best performance without overspending. A cost-efficient design is a smart design. The five pillars are not separate. They all work together to build a balanced, well-designed cloud systems. If one pillar is weak, it can affect the others. For example, focusing only on speed but ignoring security can lead to data breaches. The key is balance. Every design decision should consider all five pillars. When they work together, your AWS system becomes reliable, affordable, secure, and ready for growth. This teamwork of pillars is what makes the well-architectured framework so powerful. Let's see some real life example building a house. Let's understand the framework with a simple example building a house. The well architectured framework is like the blueprint of your house. Each pillar is like a different part of the structure. Operational excellence is like maintenance, fixing things regularly. Security is like the locks and alarms on your doors. Reliability is like the solid foundation that keeps the house stable. Performance efficiency is the smart design that makes everything run smoothly. Cost optimization is like budgeting, using your money wisely. If one part is weak, the entire house suffers. But when all parts are strong, the house stands firm and safe for years. For beginner learning AWS architecture, here are few simple tips. Start small, building simple projects and review them using the AWS Well architecture tools. Use AWS Trusted Advisor to check you for cost, performance, and security recommendations. Always review AWS environment regularly and apply small improvements. Balance all five pillars equally, never focus on one and forget the others. Most important, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every design teaches you something new that helps you become better. So Let's quick recap what we learned. The AWS Well-Architected Framework gives us a clear structure to design systems that are secure, reliable, and cost efficient. The five pillar operational excellence, security, readability, performance, efficiency, and cost optimization work together to create a complete design approach. Uh, these principles help beginners and professionals build better cloud environments step by step. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about improvement and learning. So when we learn these frameworks, we become better AWS architectures uh, with every project we build. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. This presentation on the AWS architecture framework and that's five pillars. If you found it this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my AWS learning journey. Prepared by me, Akash Patel from Concordia University Chicago, under the guidance of Dr. Govindaswamy. A very special thank you to my professor for your encouragement and clear teaching. Your support inspire me to share my learning with others. Thank you so much for once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next AWS Cloud Practitioner videos.